Now, news coming in at this hour that Congress leader Kamal Nath has now moved Supreme Court against the Election Commission decision to remove him from the star campaigner list. Now, Kamal Nath has wanted the poll panel decision to be stayed, and the campaign has run into trouble. His campaign had run into trouble, in fact, as the Election Commission held that he had repeatedly violated poll code and revoked his star campaigner status. Vaidyanathan joins us for more on this. Vaidya, with just about 2 days left for polling, what impact do you think this will have on his campaigning?
See, as far as Kamal Nath is concerned, he has moved the Supreme Court, number one, saying that it's a unilateral decision of the Election Commission because who is nominated to be a star campaigner is the decision of the party, and the Election Commission cannot interfere with it. And secondly, he says it's against the freedom of expression and freedom of movement. Thirdly, he says at least notice should have been given to him so that he can put forward his views without giving any notice. Unilaterally, the poll panel has decided. So these are the few points. And secondly, let me also say, why if you remove someone from the star campaigner, what is the impact? You see, star campaigner is a person, whatever amount spent on is the campaign, meetings, everything will be added to the party. So whereas if he's removed from the star campaigners list, wherever Kamal Nath goes, if he campaigns, whatever the expenditure will be added to the candidate. So that will put the candidate in trouble. That's the important thing. Anyway, the top court probably would be taking up this case on Monday or probably Tuesday.
All right. So the case to come up on Monday and Tuesday, we'll see what impact it actually has on the ground. Thanks, Vaidya, for that. This is what Digvijay Singh of the Congress Party had to say about the Congress Party approaching the top court on this matter.
कमल नाथ जी के 13 अक्टूबर के भाषण का उल्लेख करके उनको स्टार प्रचारक की सूची से अलग कर दिया। स्टार प्रचारक की सूची का अधिकार राजनीतिक दलों का, केंद्रीय चुनाव आयोग का नहीं है। तो उन्होंने अपने निर्देश और उनकी गाइडलाइंस और उनकी मान्यताओं का भी उल्लंघन किया। ये निर्णय जो है, जो उनका आदेश है, निराधार है और इसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हमने चैलेंज आज कल रात को ही कर दिया।
And staying with the story, a day after Election Commission had said that Congress's Kamal Nath is no longer star campaigner for his party, Kamal Nath actually responded and he said, well, how does it make a difference? But he also continued to say what Digvijay Singh was also mentioning at this point, that this is in complete violation of a model code of conduct and also complete disregard. He believes that he did not at any point even receive a notice from the Election Commission. Listen in.
स्टार प्रचारक ना कोई कद है ना कोई पद है। मैं चुनाव आयोग के बारे में कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता। 10 तारीख के बाद हम करेंगे, क्योंकि जनता अंत में सबसे ऊंची है।